guys, and welcome back. I wanted to bring you along today for some gardening. As you can see, it is a beautiful, sunny, kind of cloudy, but sunny day. And it is warm. There's not really a breeze. It's just all about spring. And tonight, there's a snowstorm coming. Go figure. But it's just getting a little cabin fever, and so I wanted to do some gardening. We've done garlic, and now I'm going to show you how to do some onions. Not your typical onions, regrowing onions from store-bought onions. So I hope you stick around, and let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to this beautiful day, and I wanted to show you what I'm doing. It is about 65 degrees outside, spring is in the air, and we have a snowstorm coming tonight. So, what better time to do onions? These actually were long lost onions in my pantry, and I smelled them but I couldn't find them, and I found them, and they are growing. Now some people would throw these away. I do not. I regrow them. Right here I have two that are regrowing, and I actually just checked them because they were an experiment on a different way to do this, and they're working perfectly. When I did these last year, I broke them apart like I'm getting ready to show you, and then I put them in a little bit of water until I started seeing the roots, and then I planted them. But these, I put them in really wet soil and just straight in, and they are rooting perfectly. So I'm going to skip that step and do the same with these. And over, see if I can show you, there's Mr. Biggles right there. This is garlic. Me and my son just got finished planting some garlic. Now of course I'll have to bring all this inside, but right now it's so beautiful. How can I not be out here gardening? So this is filled with little garlic bulbs, and then this is going to be some onions. So it's so bright. So what you do, you have this, and you need to break it up into its individual little onions because it's regrowing itself. So you're going to take away all this. So here you can see the different onions that are growing out of the one onion. Don't tear off this because that's how the others are going to grow. So here's one onion, and then this one has two in it. I'm going to break it apart carefully. Yes, Mr. Biggles, I know you want to help, and I need your help oh so badly. There we go. You want to get it to where it's easy to get them separated. Oh, I may be able to save that one. And then here's number 3. So I'm going to do the same thing to this one. And there we have it. So now all you have to do, make sure, yep. All you have to do is take your onions and bury them. And these are a little smaller, but I still like to space them out pretty well. And again, this is really wet soil. And I don't pack it in real tight. And there you go. Now this, if all goes well, I'll have brand new onions I'll have 5 onions out of 2 onions. So that's not bad. I didn't have to pay for them a second time around. And these are just gonna go literally all summer long. And then once fall hits, we can harvest them and they will be delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more gardening, because it is definitely on its way. Until next time, guys.